Hey beauties, it's Shayna, and in today's video we're going to go over our two new mini lip sets. This is Everyday Nudes Volume 1 and Volume 2. Alright, so let's get into the first volume. So this set has 4 liquid lipsticks. We have Sanibel, Verona, Bel Air, and this is Unzipped. This set retails for $20. So this is Everyday Nudes Volume 2. This is the new pack. We have Sao Paulo, Manila, Harbour, and Canyon. This is actually one of the newest nudes we've launched, so you have a bunch of different nudes here as well. And then this one is also $20, which is great because you get 4 different shades for the same price as one liquid lipstick. And I personally love throwing these in my purse and taking these around because it's smaller and it's a great go-to. So let's get the swatch party started. I'm going to show you my favorites, Manila and Bal Harbour, and they're both in the Volume 2 lip set. So this is what Manila looks on me. This is my go-to nude whenever I'm in doubt, just grab Manila. Good thing about the doe foot on the minis is it's the same as their full-size applicator, so it's really easy to get a nice clean lip line. Alright, this is Bal Harbour. This is definitely my next favorite nude. Whenever I want something a little bit darker, I reach for Bal Harbour. I hope you guys liked my 2 favorite nudes. Now let's go see what the rest of the team picked.
Hey beauties, Ashley here, and I wanted to share my favorite nudes with you, and they happen to be Bel Air and Sao Paulo. They're perfect because they come in these little sets, and I think they're so great for on the go. You know, just throw a few in your purse, do a cute little ombre on the go, whatever your heart desires. Now I'm going to show you how they look on me. Let's start off with Bel Air. I already had on chestnut lip liner, and then I put on Bel Air, and it's so pretty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on Sao Paulo and show you what that looks like on me next. So this combo is chestnut with Sao Paulo. Those are my favorite nude lippies, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hi beauties, it's Denise, and today I will be showing you my favorite nudes. I already started by lining my lips where I lip liner plump. My first favorite nude is Sanibel. Go ahead and apply it. This is how it looks on me. I hope it also becomes one of your favorites. Okay guys, and now for my second favorite lippy, it's Bal Harbour. Okay guys, this is it. This is how it looks. I hope my colors inspired you. So go ahead and get your lippy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Hey beauties, it's Paula, and I'm here to show you my favorite nudes from the Everyday Nudes set Volume 1. And my first picks are Unzipped and Verona, and I like to mix these because I am a professional mixer. Here's Verona and Sanibel together, and you know, if anyone knows me, you know Verona is my absolute favorite, but I just like to add a hint of Unzipped to give it that little pinkish nude that makes it perfect. Alright beauties, so from the Everyday Nudes Volume 2, my 2 favorites are Bal Harbour and Canyon, because, you know, I'm a mixer. Alright beauties, and here's the finished product with Bal Harbour and Canyon. Just like my other pairing, I like to have a little bit of red and a little bit of nude just to make the perfect lip for me.
Hi guys, my name's Ileana, and I wanted to let you know which are my 2 favorites from the Everyday Nudes collection, Volume 2. My first favorite is Canyon, which is this one right here. And then I like to pair it with Sao Paulo, which is a bit lighter. So I go ahead and use Canyon for the outside of my lips, and then I do a little ombre effect with Sao Paulo. And then I fill the center with Sao Paulo. And there we go. I hope you guys like my combo, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey beauties, it's Shaq, and I hope that you guys have been enjoying all these lip swatches. I definitely want to show you my favorite pick from the 2 Everyday Nude lip sets. So let's get right into it. My favorites from the Everyday Nude set is Verona. Verona is a beautiful color, and you can wear it alone or you can pair it with any other color as well. This is what Verona looks like on me, and I hope it makes you curious to know what it looks like on you. My favorite color from the Everyday Nudes Volume 2 is Canyon. Now this color is fairly new to us, and it quickly became my favorite, and I hope it becomes yours. This is what Canyon looks like on me, and I love it. It has like a hint of orange. I think it's so pretty, and it's one of my favorites. I hope you guys like my picks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Hey beauties, it's Rachel, and today I'm going to show you my favorite picks from the Everyday Nude sets. From the Everyday Nude set, I'm going to go in with the Sanibel. So this is what Sanibel looks like on me. Next I'm going to show you Manila, which is from the Everyday Nudes Volume 2 set. And this is what Manila looks like on me. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you liked both shades. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, beauties. We hope that you loved all the lippies that the team tried on. We hope we inspired you to go nude. Make sure you comment down below your favorite shade, and make sure you go check out our new lip sets. Bye beauties, see you in the next one. Bye!